happy week 3 of school. Bright old me decided that I'm actually gonna film a week in my life this week. This week is absolutely insane, crazy. I really like to film these crazy weeks because honestly these weeks exist. Let me just give you the lowdown on what I've been up to. First of all, I'm officially 21 years old. At my birthday yesterday, I didn't film a ton of it, but I did film a couple things. My mom actually came down and brought some gifts to me and spent the night with me so I could see her in the morning. And then I had recruitment all day. I'm gonna throw in a couple clips from yesterday. It's 12:42. It's officially my birthday. My mom brought some of my presents. Oh, there's multiple things in this one. We'll open the smallest gift first. Ooh, so pretty. I haven't seen that one. Thanks, Mom. Oh, it's from Anthropology. Oh my god, you got me the K necklace. Oh, do you see it? Oh my god, I wanted this. This is so cute. Thank you, Mom. I have the best little ever. She got me Panera. Hey. Oh my god, this salad is the best. We're gonna eat birthday feast. Let's begin. Yeah, yesterday was really long and exhausting, but it was a really good day. And then the whole weekend, I've literally just been at recruitment. Last night, Taylor and I got home at midnight and we still had homework to do. So we decided that we were so dead that the only way that we could possibly survive was to wake up this morning and do it. So I woke up at 7, went to bed at 1, and we're here. This is like my 4th night in a row getting less than 6 hours of sleep. Woke up this morning, Taylor and I both got our homework done. We have so much going on. I have my coffee here, so I'm trying to revive myself. Let's get ready for class. It is really pretty outside right now. I'm kind of into this dreary Oregon weather. Kind of the best part about Oregon. Makes me feel all cozy and nice inside. Okay, let's do this.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel
Dropping stuff off at sorority, check. Now to class we go, T1. Let the rain season begin,
it smells
ladies.
Kind of weird right now.
It smells really weird. We're like the back of all the sorority houses and they just a lot of cooking. Lots of things are cooking and it smells weird.
wrapped around me good mistakes. Oh, you got me.
Just got back from class. I'm literally losing my voice and I need to make myself pretty because I literally have prep in like half an hour. So we're gonna do some Transformation Monday magic here and try to just make this happen. I need to get changed, do my hair, do my makeup, the whole deal. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm actually at the house and ready to go. Okay, I just finished getting ready for prep. I'm wearing this black dress from Aritzia, have my pin on and my adorable shoes because I have to walk to the house. Yeah, we're kind of running late. Oh no, we're not running late. We're right on time. Lego. Okay, I'm gonna laugh about it.
And don't get sad.
Why would I get sad?
Oh, you should have seen her last night when she opened up Doug's. She cried.
Oh my god,
she was bawling.
There it is. Oh my god, it's a book.
It was like this thing.
Happy birthday,
Like,
Bella. Oh my god, Katie. Happy 21st birthday. I love you so much. I'm so grateful for our friendship and you're such a blessing in my life. Thanks for the best year and many more to come. This is so cute.
Does this dress look okay?
Oh my god, this is the start of our friendship. Pumpkin Patch before she was my little Dairy Queens. Wait, this is so cute. This is so sweet, Katie.
Okay, this is the pretty part because
Because I got cut out. I see, look. I'm in this, but I got cut out. My hand's in it, so that's all that matters. Thanks, Katie Mac. I've been spotted. Wait, it's not zooming. Oh, there they are. There they are. It's Lucy, we were looking for you. We need a fan pic. Look at these ladies strut their stuff.
oh my.
Smile for the vlog, ladies. Oh, yeah. Finally made it. How do you feel, Mackenzie?
Oh my god, I feel so honored that I finally made Kiara's vlog.
Big Kiara Madisen fan. The girls finished making their bid day signs because today's bid day. Judy and Kylie are picking up some of the new girls. These are what their signs look like. So cute, adorable. My dad like stopped by on his way to California and he put up my 21 sign. But yeah, we're just studying and chilling out before we have to get ready for bid day. Getting ready for bid day right now. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll talk to you guys in a sec.
Deprived.
Ready right now Katie's using the really zoomed in part of my mirror, and I was just laughing because I can only see her lips.
Kiara's the best bake ever and is making me a snack because I don't feel good.
She's such a little chef now. She got her own apartment and turned into a
I
chef.
still can't cook meat. Katie had to do that for me today.
That's okay, baby steps.
Okay, we're balling out. We're trying to balance. We're gonna have to carry these together. So amazing. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. Shout out to Lexi for being the best. Yeah, because Lexi legit did all of this. The front looks so good, Lexi. A+, gold star. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh my god, it says it's Kaya. They did such a good job. This is so fun. Are you excited?
The most excited.
Lies didn't count, lies didn't count at all. Love didn't find your heart. Silence didn't count, it tear us apart.
Happy birthday. We're gonna be seniors next year. Dude, look at my dress.
Rerun by the make these bitches rap again.
What's up, guys? Kiara just ran home. Thing on. Hey guys, welcome back to Kiara's vlog.
The new me is really still real. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices. They running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop it.
Like the fountain of youth.
Okay, so I left my phone at Kayo, and T1 and I are deciding to go on a midnight adventure. We're gonna take out all of our recycling.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock, but it feels like midnight to us. That's probably all for tonight, so thanks for watching. Hey guys, what's up? Happy Wednesday. T1 and I are rushing off to class. We're not late, but it was kind of a struggle this morning because I stayed up till 1 a.m. to finish my homework again for like the 9th day in a row. The day was fun, and now since we've survived all that, we can do school, so that's what we're doing today. And we're at anatomy with the whole squad. There's Kelly over there. Classic. Yeah, we're just waiting. There's a lot of technical difficulties, so we're just chilling. 6 minutes overtime. So Claire and I just got done with our media class, so we're done for the day. So we're gonna go to this, well, we're not really going to the street fair. We're gonna walk by the street fair because every single fall term and spring term we have street fair. It's really fun, and we're done for the day, so we're celebrating. Look at all the succulents. Claire and I are shopping. Gosh, I'm a broke college student. I should say, oh my god, look at this Patagonia. That is the cutest Patagonia.
Rolling out, top down, telling you now we're gonna go all the way up.
Okay, so I just got home from class. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be getting started doing a ton of homework and stuff, but I wanted to really quick show you guys what I'm wearing. This is all from Tommy Hilfiger. They just launched a new product, which is super cool. You guys know I'm really into tech stuff. They basically created an app that's kind of like a game, and it tracks when and where you're wearing your Tommy Hilfiger Explore items, which is super cool. So I've been wearing it all day, and I just got a new sweatshirt. It's awesome because you can actually earn real life rewards, which is cool. Like they have concerts and stuff. Today I just gained a bunch of extra points, and if I go here you can see like areas on campus. If I walk to the rec center I can get extra points. I'm gonna connect a new item. It literally just searches for whatever's there and see it found the sweatshirt. And then boom, I just have a new item in there. I'll show you guys some of the rewards that they have. They have like speakers, they have concert cash, a VIP Tommy night out, and I've just been wearing these jeans, which I really like. The bottom cut has kind of like a frayed edge, so I like it. And if you guys want to go check this out and see what items they have available, I'm gonna leave a link in the bio. This isn't sponsored or anything, but they were so nice and sent these items to me, so I thought I would share them with you just because I think it's such a cool concept. I need to go to Target. I need to go pick up some stuff for my birthday party. The party is tomorrow. I'm really excited and I have a lot to do, a lot of homework to catch up on, so I'm gonna literally just be on the grind right now, and I'll try to catch you guys up when I'm at Target.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you.
So I was a ding dong and forgot to bring my phone into Target, so sorry about that, but I got a bunch of stuff back there for my party. Yeah, I'm hungry and I really have to finish my physiology lab report that's due tomorrow, so I'm gonna go into Panera's, get food, get on the grind. Hey guys, what's up? It's party day. I have so much to get done and I have like kind of a weird chunk of time in between classes because I just finished my one class and then I have lab later. So I'm gonna try to decorate as much as I possibly can. Taking a cleaning break, and Elle and I just made this delicious meal. Are you excited about it? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna eat. Okay, so I'm officially out of class for the day. Katie, Kylie, Taylor, Lucy, everyone's gonna come. We're all gonna just pull this party together.
You are the solution. You are the solution.
Chef Kylie.
Making my little charcuterie.
And look at her. She's just a talent right there. Look at the beauty.
It's coming along.
I'm excited. Photo wall's done. I am actually officially ready. I got my dress on. It's from Dress the Population from Nordstrom's. My shoes are from Sam Edelman, and then my necklace is from Brandy Melville. You don't really have like another party like this until your bridal shower. I probably won't talk to you guys for the rest of the night, but Katie's gonna vlog, hopefully. Yeah, thank you guys again for all the birthday wishes from Sunday. It really meant a lot to me. It's so exciting that I finally get to celebrate tonight.
We try to find our ways in life to give our hearts and soul a peace of mind, but you just wanna drink your wine and pour the glass and let it go.
Finally got to sleep in today. It is 10:18. So wonderful. I was honestly just thinking about how fun last night was, like all the people who helped me make it happen. So if you were one of those people who came or helped me set up or made a page for me for my book, thank you so much. It honestly means a lot to me. That was like so great to finally celebrate my birthday, actually, because on my actual birthday I didn't really do anything. And the only issue that interrupted my sleep last night was that I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning because my tooth was in so much pain. Basically, I have all 4 of my wisdom teeth and they're all pretty much in except for one tooth on this side. I know because I've gotten like many x-rays is impacted, but it's never caused me any problems or anything, so I didn't get it removed because wisdom tooth surgery is actually kind of risky. It's really close to your nerve that runs along right here. If that nerve was injured in any way, I would like be unable to smile, which is a pretty serious issue. If you know me and know how much I like to smile, I'm like kind of low-key stressed because realistically I cannot have surgery while I'm here at school. Like, there is absolutely no time for me to recover. Honestly, I don't know how much I'm gonna film today just because today I need to work. I have to edit this video for you guys and hopefully get it up. I just thought I would update you. It's gonna be kind of like a day of homework and laundry and boring stuff, so I'm probably gonna end the vlog here, and I know I have a ton of footage from this week. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below something that you did this week. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want more Week in the Life videos. I hope you guys had a fantastic week and continue to have an awesome weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone